Ah, here we go. This is the video you've been waiting for, or maybe not waiting for. The dreaded Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Teams. It's different, it's very frustrating at times, and does it ever do anything right? But fear not, I, Bryce Collier, am here to guide you, to show you the way, and to hopefully give you a little bit of hope for a service that you have chosen to despise. Well, to start with, what is Microsoft 365? On the surface, it's what is called an SaaS, or Software as a Service. This service is a suite of applications designed by Microsoft for workplace use. We're familiar with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so we'll discuss those in a later video. But Microsoft 365 also includes OneDrive and Teams, and that's all in the cloud. The cloud, which, by the way, is really just a hosted collection of data on Microsoft servers worldwide, allows us to access our files from anywhere, modify them simultaneously, and work together in a more collaborative environment. Microsoft Teams is the center of, the team aspect of our file. The basic functions allow your IT department to separate you into teams and channels, which can be used for basic file access. Beyond that, though, Teams has a host of applications that can be sideloaded to allow better teamwork, communication, and efficiency. The general Harvest Ministries channel has a link to the HM Tools page, the IT request page, and the maintenance request page. Each of these links can be logged into once and then accessed whenever you need them again. You can also work on files directly in Teams. This situation is designed more for quick access or on-the-go work, but it can be used in a pinch to change a heading or modify a slide in PowerPoint. Another big benefit to using Teams is the ability to chat with any individual or group of individuals in just a few clicks. Let's say you need to text a sub, but you don't know their number. That's a Teams chat. What about if you're trying to get a hold of a fellow math teacher, but you don't want to write up a formal email? Teams chat. What if you have a quick IT question, but you don't really want to fill out a full request? Teams chat. You can even start a group chat for, say, a group of grade level teachers. Every Harvest employee is already built into Teams. All you need to know is their name. But let's say you don't like the Teams interface, or its organization confuses or frustrates you. Well, what then? If all you need are the files in Teams, you can find your team and channel, click the Files tab at the top, and then click Open in SharePoint. Once in SharePoint, click Sync at the top. Click Sync Now. Make sure you're signed into OneDrive, and then you're good to go. You can access these files like any other in the Harvest Ministries tab in File Explorer, where you should see the team and channel name. Please keep in mind that you only need to sync the outermost folder, not every folder within. Teams takes care of that automatically. Another common complaint with Teams is that it's so slow. And while yes, being in the cloud means that sometimes internet speeds will fluctuate, causing Teams to be a little bit slower. The IT department spent all summer upgrading computers with solid-state drives, which should dramatically improve load times and speeds. If you continue to have issues as you move from classroom to classroom, let the IT department know so we can work with you on a fix. Which leaves us with OneDrive. Most computers will ask you to log into OneDrive as soon as you enter the desktop. If it doesn't, find the OneDrive app in the bottom right corner and click on it, and then it'll ask you to sign in. OneDrive allows you to store files in a personally accessible folder that only you can access anywhere with just an internet connection. You can even sync your desktop and documents folder, so any computer you log into brings your files with you. Sounds pretty nifty for summer IT updates. And with 5 terabytes of space in OneDrive, why aren't you storing everything there? So that is a brief overview of Microsoft 365, Teams, and OneDrive. There are so many more features that you can discover and use. File sharing, simultaneous file collaboration, task apps, even video conferencing and calls, all in one little app. I hope that this video will help you feel a little more confident heading into the school year. As always, please let your IT team know if you have any questions, and don't be afraid to dig around and learn on your own. Anything that you break, we can put back together. And that is an IT guarantee.